What if your backyard felt like a luxury resort every single day? Imagine stepping outside and being greeted by the sound of water, warm sunlight dancing on your patio, and a space that feels like a peaceful escape. Are you tired of your plain, boring backyard? Let's change that. Today, we're taking you on a journey to transform your outdoor space into a luxurious oasis, complete with a stunning pool, cozy patio, and all the comforts of a five-star getaway. Right at home. A beautiful backyard isn't just about looks, it's about lifestyle. It's where morning coffees turn into peaceful moments, where family barbecues become lasting memories, and where long days end with feet dipped in cool, calming water. Whether you have a small space or a sprawling yard, design is everything. The secret? Combining function with beauty. Start with your pool, the centerpiece. It doesn't have to be big. Even a compact plunge pool can add a dramatic effect and provide endless fun. Add ambient lighting, natural stone borders, or a waterfall to bring that resort feel. Now let's talk patios. Think beyond just concrete. Use warm wood tones, modern pavers, or natural textures. Add an outdoor sofa, a fire pit, or even a dining table for entertaining. Shade it with a pergola or canopy, and your space instantly feels more welcoming. Want it to feel truly special? Add layers, lush green plants, string lights, a cozy rug, or an outdoor speaker system to set the mood. And don't forget, your backyard should reflect you. Whether you love tropical vibes, modern elegance, or rustic charm, your design should feel like home. Your dream backyard is closer than you think. You don't need a huge budget, just smart ideas and a bit of inspiration. So, are you ready to ditch the ordinary and build your very own backyard escape? Hit subscribe for more home transformation ideas. Like this video if you feel inspired, and share it with someone who's dreaming big.